how to group Sonos zones together using the Sonos app. Using this, you can play the same music in more than one room, and this is how to do it. Sonos is a very flexible system. You can group together any combination of rooms to play the same music using these steps. Start by opening the Sonos app and pressing the vertical lines bottom center. This will display your room list with each Sonos speaker or zone. Next, press the first room you'd like to start playing to. This will change to dark grey, and to the right of this is the group symbol. Press this group symbol and then select one or more rooms you'd like to add to this group, and then press Done. Now all rooms you selected will be in sync, grouped together. To start playing music, press the musical symbol here and then make your choice. Pressing the grey bar here will display the music you're currently playing as well as the volume control. When adjusting the volume, you can control individual zones independently like this, or you can adjust all zones by sliding the group volume. Quick tip: to set all zones to the same volume level, slide the group volume to 0. Leave for a second or two and then slide back up. Now all zones are synced to the same volume level. To ungroup rooms, press the group symbol again and then simply untick the rooms you want to drop off and then press Done. Second quick tip: there is a group symbol next to the volume control, and this can be used in the same way. Watch more Sonos tips on this page, or subscribe to my YouTube channel and view my Sonos tips playlist, as well as plenty of other easy to understand home technology advice. See you next time.